Hello, I'm Stephen Pilkington with the Path Home team, and welcome to today's video blog. So thank you so much for joining me today on today's video blog. And today's topic is buying a new home, a brand new home, a new build, and what to know and what to consider when making this journey. So to start off, the number one thing with buying a new home, talk to a realtor. And a lot of people believe that if they go directly to the new home office, they might get a better deal. It's actually not the case. The new home companies budget in their marketing budget to pay us realtors, and we're going to work on your behalf to get you the best deal possible. And depending on the community, there might be some wiggle room there. So start with your realtor. Number two, let's put a plan behind it. If you've got complete flexibility on when you move, for example, sometimes new build communities offer some great incentives at the year end or the month end because similarly to maybe a car dealership, they have a certain amount of inventory that they want to make sure to sell before they start moving on to the next ones. So that means that there's times that you might get a better deal by coming in the end of the year or coming in close to the end of the month when they're really looking to get some of those standing properties off of their books. So knowing your timing can be very important. Next, along with timing is, do you want a custom new build or semi-custom where you're going to pick everything about it? You're going to do a dirt start. You're going to do for a 8-month to 18-month turnaround time. Well, that could be a fantastic option for you to get exactly what you want. Or would you like something that's move-in ready now? Now, the double-edged side of that is, would you pick everything, or are you going to be okay if you get some things that are already picked for you? Yet, if you go the route of something that's built already, you might get a better deal because they're looking to sell those properties and make sure that they can get it off their books, they can start building more. So timing with new builds is very important. Next, when you're doing that purchase, there is some negotiating room, but remember, like everything, if the community's popular, it's selling faster than they can make them, you're probably not going to get a great deal on negotiating down. You might get a great deal on the buy side of it, yet don't expect to get a lot of money off on it. Now, if, for example, the community is a little slower, you might have some great opportunity to get some extra design center credits, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 of credits that you can get towards that property that you're going to be building. Next, the mortgage. Many new build companies own their own mortgage company, so you might get the best deal possible by going with them, even if you work at a bank. So I've had clients that they go with the new build loan, even though they work at a bank, and then 6 months later, 12 months later, they refinance into their own loan. It allowed them to get some really great incentives that those builders were offering. So look at those kind of the fine details on that. Next, and this is one that surprises a lot of people, make sure to do inspections. We've got a whole timeline to make sure that you're going to get into your property and see it in all the different phases. Yet four times, we've encountered new builds with broken sewer lines. Now, the person excavating, putting the dirt back on, cracked it, one was separated, one just wasn't put on right. And if we didn't do an inspection, we would have assumed brand new home, no problems, and it would have been a big problem for them. So in wrapping all this up, I hope you've got some great value out of some things to look for with the new build. If you're interested in taking this discussion further, perhaps searching for new builds specifically, let us know, reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help you. If you got value today, please let us know. If you didn't and you want me to talk about something different next time, please comment and let me know. I'm happy to do the research and get that all set up for you. And until then, have a fantastic day. All right.